How to add Humanizer Skill to Claude. Want to add the Humanizer skill to Claude? Follow these steps carefully. First, open a web browser and search for the Humanizer skill. Open the relevant GitHub page and download the skill file to a location that's easy to find. Next, open the Claude desktop app and sign into your account. Open the sidebar, click your profile, and select Settings. Scroll down and find Skills, then open it. At the top of the Skills page, click Add. When the upload window appears, drag and drop the Humanizer skill file you downloaded from GitHub into the upload area. Wait for Claude to finish importing the skill. Once the upload is complete, the Humanizer skill should appear in your skills list. To test it, open a new Claude chat and enter a prompt that uses the skill. Submit the prompt and check the response. Also, make sure you download the skill file from a trusted source before uploading it to Claude. And that's how to add the Humanizer skill to Claude. If this guide helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips.